Unfortunately, COVID has not permitted you to come join us this year again. However, what we're going to be doing is making videos of each of the classes in celebration of the work that they have done this year. We invite you to sit back and enjoy the experiences that this crazy academic year has given and celebrate the successes of the students' work.
สวัสดีค่ะขอต้อนรับท่านผู้ปกครองเข้าสู่กิจกรรม Academic Expo ในปีการศึกษา 2564 ซึ่งกิจกรรมนี้เป็นกิจกรรมรวบรวมผลงานของนักเรียนตลอดทั้งปีการศึกษานะคะให้ผู้ปกครองทางบ้านได้รับชมในรูปแบบวิดีโอนะคะขอเชิญรับชมกันเลยค่ะขอบคุณค่ะ
Hello, my name is Sanfin. I'm in grade 2A in Griffins. Today in this month we were learning about one-line drawing. I draw Spider-Man. It has red, blue, black, yellow, and brown. And I draw Spider-Man because it's so cool to draw Spider-Man. And I like to draw creative stuff, so I draw this imaginary Spider-Man by me. And I like it very much in that month. So it's very cool. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hi, my name is Agnes. I am in grade 3A. For art this month, we have learned about warm tone and cool tone. In warm tone, we have yellow, red, brown, orange, purple, and pink. For cool tone, we have blue, green, purple, yellow, and purple and yellow can be in both tones. For my project, I have drawn a mommy fox and a baby fox. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Bye!
Hello, my name is Elise. Hello, my name is Angie. Today we're presenting about shininess. These are the jobs in opinion. Yishan is doctor. Wushi is lawyer. Jingsha is police. Dao is guard. And Shu is chef. These are the colors. Hongse is red. Lanse is blue. Jise is purple. Heise is black. Zhongse is brown. Baise is white. Xiangse is orange. Luse is green. Huangse is yellow. Shaihong is rainbow. Jinse is gold. Yinse is silver. These are the number in Chinese. E is 1, Er is 2, San is 3, Si is 4, Wu is 5, Liu is 6, Shi is 7, Ba is 8, Jiu is 9, and Shi is 10. These are the day's work. Jingtian is today, Mingtian is tomorrow. 昨天 is yesterday, and 早上 is morning, 中午 is afternoon, and 晚上 is night. This is the Great Wall of China. It is very popular in China. This is the fun fact. Fun fact. The Great Wall of China is the longest man-made structure in the world. The wall is also over 2,300 years. I hope you like our presentation. Thank you for watching. Bye. Is sport. Is basketball. Is swimming. Shu is football. Is volleyball. Body parts. Is ears, Gaji is eye, toe is head, Wai is mouth, and Biti is the nose. Time. Zaoshan is morning, Zhongwu is midday, Wanshan is night. Numbers. E is 1, Er is 2, San is 3, Si is 4, Wu is 5, Liu is 6, Shi is 7, Ba is 8, Shu is 9, and listening to our presentation. I hope you like it. Bye. Hello, my name is Elise. Hello, my name is Gigi. Today we're presenting English and we're doing about history. Here is the Black Death. The greatest disaster in its history struck Europe during the 13th in only 20 years. The Black Death, probably a bubonic plague. The Black Death reached England at Malcolm, just the port of Weymouth. Within a few weeks, it has spread to Bristol and London, and within a year, almost every part of England and Wales had been affected. The death toll is estimated at 2,050,000. Half the country population. The Black Death helped Edward III campaign against Scotland, but the Scot rejoicing at this was soon dashed when the plague struck there to Scotland and Ireland. However, suffered less severely than England. The immediate effect of the Black Death was a shortage of labor and rise in wages, which amounted to about 50% of craftsmen and agricultural workers, and 100% for women farmers workers. And this is God of Egypt. People in Egypt originally worshiped their own gods. Their story spread and miracles, so there are many worshipped, and some gods are known in different forms. The waterfall of ancient Egypt may go back as far as 4000 BC, when the land was populated by farming people. And I hope you like our presentation. Bye!
Hi, my name is Agnes. I am in grade 3A. For this year's Academic Expo project, I have decided to do about the Earth. I named it Our Only Hope. This is a very big subject, but I have decided to focus on what I have learned in English, science, and social studies. Let's start. A lot of things have changed to the Earth, and unfortunately, not good things. So the question is this just a change or a crisis? The global heating is changing our planet, putting people and nature at risk. The change is such a huge threat, it has become a crisis. And what happens to the Earth when the Earth gets hotter? Right now, the Earth's climate is getting warmer, and that affects many things. And now, I will explain how all these bad things connects to each other. So, when Earth gets hotter, land warms, sea warms. And the cause of this is sea levels rise and wind change. And wind change causes ocean currents change and cloud change. And cloud change affects weather, wetter weather in many places, and hotter and drier weather in many places. Wetter weather affects more floods. Hotter and drier weather affects water crisis, wildfires, loss of carbon sinks, and mountain and snow and glaciers. And this circle goes back again. So from mountain and snow and glaciers melt, ocean currents change. And the cause of this is sea levels rise, and it goes back again to the Earth gets hotter. So all of this is a bad circle. And what can I do to help? There are big steps for this, which is live car-free, eat less meat, avoid flying where possible. And these steps are very difficult to achieve. And live car-free
In Surat, Thani, for example, it's almost impossible because it's too dangerous to bicycle to school, and eat less meat is big, and you can eat less meat, but it's hard to find another protein so your body can still be strong and work. Avoid flying where possible. This one is very difficult for me because I live in Sweden, and for example, on the summer break, I would like to go to Sweden. But if I travel with boat or with train, it will almost take like the whole summer break for me to get there. So I think a plane is easier using. And there are many small things that we can do to help too. Everybody can do them. Do things that help the planet and make you feel good. Plant some trees in your garden and leave a little while for bugs and bees. And reduce and recycle everything you can. And eat for the planet is try to buy local, consume less and appreciate more, buy secondhand clothes and books and give away things you don't need. Use less energy. Do more activities that don't use electricity. Read books, play board games, and have fun outdoors with friends. And who are suffering for all of these causes? There are loads and loads of animals that are dying because of this. For example, the koalas and polar bears. The koalas live in Australia, and there are many wildfires there. And polar bears live in the Arctic. Global warming is melting their home. And to support the suffering animals, WWF, World Wildlife Fund for Nature. This is a national foundation. The symbol is a giant panda, but they support a lot of wild animals, such as the koalas and polar bears. Support them, please. And if you want, you can read more about the polar bears and the koalas here. Thank you for listening to my presentation. I hope you enjoy it. Bye!
Long time ago, when Archeria was still young, there lived a clever demigod named Maui. Every night around the fire, Maui's brother would complain about the sunlight.
I tried to go fishing today, and again the sun moved so fast there was no light, and I could not see my help to put the bait on. My wahano are so hungry. I haven't had enough light to go hunting for their caught. I keep trying to do my chores, but it's too hard in the dark. Tito.
I, Maui, can tame the sun.
Should have been on story.
You cannot catch the sun, Maui. He is too powerful.
The heat and the flame would burn you to death.
You have seen me fish up our land. Nothing is impossible. I will use my job of my ancestor, Moaranga Wenyu, and with your help, we will slow the sun.
Okay, Maui. We'll help.
We can help you.
The brothers knew that if anyone could capture the sun, it would be Maui. Maui is talking to his family and villagers. They are sitting by him. Wow, no. We must collect as much karakiki as possible. Then weave it into strong ropes.
Okay, let's go.
The brothers Moise, Wana, and the villagers started collecting flax and weaving it into long, strong ropes. After days of collecting and weaving, we finally had enough ropes. Kapai, everybody! Look at all of these strong ropes. Now I will tie them together to make
a gigantic net, big enough to catch the sun.
While the people slept, Moi sat trying knot after knot right through the long, dark night.
I will now say the magical karate taught to me by my ancestors. This will make the net as strong as 1,000 men.
Moi quietly chanted his karakia as the sun rose and the villagers awakened.
Now, are you ready to start our long journey east to where the sun first rises? Yes, brother. It will be a long and difficult journey, but with our ancestors watching over us, I know we will make it.
Scene 3. The brothers and Moi are all hiding in caves or behind trees looking towards a giant pit. Finally, Moi and his brothers arrived at a huge, deep pit inside Tamanutira. The sun was sleeping. Moi and his brothers hid in caves and behind trees.
The sun is beginning to wake up.
It wasn't long before they felt the warmth of the sun and saw the first glint of light.
Why are we doing this? We'll burn alive! Pull on the rope. Pull as hard as you can.
Oh, no.
Hey, you what are you doing, man?
Mai started chanting his magical karakia, asking his answers for their strength.
I am stronger than you, Maui. No net will trap me.
Narrator. Mai knew he had to do something more, so he jumped at the sun, attacking it with his magical jawbone. The magical hit the sun like a bolt of lightning.
What? Why are you doing this to me? You fly too quickly across the sky. We never have enough time in day to do all of our work.
Tamanitara struggled to get free, but Mai again showed him the power of the jawbone.
I will release you. Will you promise to fly slowly across the sky and give us time to do our work? I give up! Your magic is too strong for me. I will slow down. Let go of the rope. Let go of the rope.
The sun rose slowly up into the sky. The brothers all smiled at Mai with pride. They knew he had proved them wrong again.
Maui, you will never question your knowledge and power again.
You have tamed the sun, and given us all more sunlight. From that day on, Tamanitara flew slowly across the sky, giving man time to do all his chores. Mai was forever known as the man who could tame the sun. The end.
The end. Hello, my name is Dave. I play as the sun in the puppet show. Hello, my name is Papa. I play as Roto in the puppet show. my name is Adria. I play as Moa in the puppet show.
Hello, my name is David. I play as the narrator in a puppet show. Hello, my name is Kit. I play as Maui in the puppet show.
Hello, my name is Dias. I play as Haha in the puppet show.
Hello, my name is Daisy. I play as Wahoo in the puppet show.
Thank you for listening to our presentation. Bye. Bye.
Hello, my name is Adria. I'll be reviewing my math expo. First, we can go with PEMDAS. PEMDAS means parentheses, exponents, multiplication, then division, followed by addition and subtraction. In a question, you have to do it by this order: parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, and subtraction. Fractions. Fractions is the shaded area of a whole, like 3 out of 6, and 2 out of 4, and 5 out of 8. Is 3 out of 6 equal to 2 out of 4? Yes, because they have the same shaded area. Is 2 out of 4 equal to 5 out of 8? No, 5 out of 8 is more than 2 out of 4. Is 3 out of 6 more than 1 out of 4? Yes. Is 1 out of 4 more than 8 out of 16? No. 8 out of 16 is bigger than 1 out of 4. Area. This is area 6 times 6 by 8 rectangle. The area is 54 square units. The number model is 6 times 8. That is how you get 54. The length. This is a square. If you want to find the length, you have to add the length side by side. The number model is 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. It is 16. Number helper. Number helper is like, for example, 9 times 30. You can think of 9 times 3 equals 27. Then 27, just put a 0 on the back, plus 270. You can do this for the rest. If you have 2 zeros, add 2 zeros in the back. If you have 3 zeros, add 3 zeros in the back. I hope you like my presentation. Bye. My name is AJ. We learned this card game in math class using poker cards. In math class, the card game that we play, you use 4 players in each group using only 9 cards, 1 to 9 cards. Then for the card game, you pick out 3 cards from the pile. Then you try to get the biggest number possible. So that's the game that we learned. So we have to do this. We have to do multiplication in this order.
Hi, my name is Daisy, and I'm going to be continuing from AJ. I have 3 cards. The numbers are 3, 3, 1, 2. To get the largest number, you'll need to multiply it by the biggest number. If you don't, then we will get a smaller number. For example, 31 times 2 would be equal to 62, but 21 times 3 would be equal to 63. The person who gets the largest number in the group gets a point. The first person to get 5 points will win and get on the leaderboard.
Hello, my name is Pao Pao. This is a game where we practice division. It is pretty similar to the multiplying game, which we already told you about. The preparations are about 4 players in each group. We only need to use 1 to 9 because we cannot use 10 or more numbers. The instructions are the first instruction is deal 3 cards to each player. 2 players need to arrange their cards to find the combination with the lowest remainder when doing 2-digit number divided by 1-digit number. 3 for each round. The player with the smallest remainder wins. needs to display the correct calculating process on the paper. Otherwise, it does not count. The examples are: 1. A player gets 3 cards, 5, 6, 9. There are 6 possible combinations. The player needs to find the best combination with the shortest remainder. 4. Compare. 56 divided 6 equals 9 or 5. 95 divided 6 equals 15 or 5. 65 divided 9 equals 7 or 2. 56 divided 9 equals 6 or 2. 69 divided 5 equals 13 or 4. 36 divided 5 equals 19 or 1. Thank you for listening.
Hello, it's me, Dante. I'm going to do the academic expo and math. So multiply means to really increase a number or amount. So this says to become much more numbers, whatever. Helper fact. Okay, this only works with multiplication. So just put the 0 here, and multiply the all the zeros here like this, and then just multiply these numbers you put on the front of the zeros. And this is a helper number, which is what we put on top of the zeros. So multiplication. So 3 times 7 equals 21. This is the same. 8 times 6 equals 8 times 6 equals 48 plus zeros. So now it's 480. This is the same. So the helper number is 8 times 6 equals 48. So if you have to lose a number that is greater than or equal to the denominator. If the number is greater than 1 and something, if it's equal is 1 whole, and if the number is actually greater than the numerator, it's fractional, easy. So this is 1 whole, this is 3 in 3. So it's equals to 1 whole. This is 2 and 2 is equals to 3 and 3. This is 1 and 3. This is 1 and 2. This is 2 and 3. So this is conjugated. This is the English one, but I'm not gonna talk much about this. So this is the part of the game. This is the back game, okay? It's like a Pokemon thing, but it's actually isn't. So the element Earth, ice, storm, power, water, and this is the alcohol, like the main element of the game. So here, you attack them, and then they reduce you reduce their health. They can attack you. They reduce your health, and you go in turns. If their health goes to 0, they run away, and then they back up. So they put in the backup. So this means false attacks where you actually reduce all of their TV's HP, so but use them once. So if they all win, you win. But this can also happen to you. Also there's arena where you have to fight in other players by the invading them and then just getting points. And Dark Tower where you have to battle to get up the floors, and also there's Finding the Ices where you have to just go and launch where you have to just get moves to power up your team. Also they use this in the arena to help your team. Like they need to use moves too. And also to fight. Why is doing that? You can't, and now you can. The reason is to get more views to help. Hope everyone likes my video, and bye.
Hello, my name is Kim. Hello, my name is AJ. Today we're gonna explain about simple machines. This is the first simple machine is the wheel and axle. We need a simple car here, and the wheel and axle makes it able to spin. This is the wheel axle. It makes the car move. Without the wheel axle, it would just stay still.
But to make the wheel move, you need something to push it, like how cars use gas. This one can use just a balloon and a straw. If you blow inside the balloon and glue it to the balloon, and then when you attach it up here, then the car will move forward.
Thank you for listening to our presentation. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hello, my name is Olam.
Hello, my name is Infa.
And today we will explain about matter. And
This is an example of 3 states of matter. This is a solid, this is a liquid, and this is a gas.
information. Everything around you is matter. Matter is made of molecules. 3 main types of matter are solid, liquid, and gases. Matter. Matter refers to anything that has mass and take up space. And matter is made up of particles.
Particles behave in different states. Particle theory states several postulates or rules that define the characteristic of particles. All matter is made up of particles. Particles are in constant motion. They are attractive force between particles that hold them together.
Solid, liquid, and gases.
1. Has its own shape.
2 has volume.
3 has mass.
พี่ออมเถิบเข้าไปหน่อย
1 takes the shape of its container.
2 has volume.
3 has mass. Gases. 1 no shape of its own.
2. No fixed volume.
3 has mass.
This is the example of the drawings that I've drawn, and these are the little examples.
About solid, liquid, and gases.
For listening with us.
Hope you enjoy our video. Bye.
Hi, my name is Leah. And my name is Nada. Today we will present force and motion. Let's start. Positions. Position is the place where an object is. When we describe where something is, we describe positions. Motions. What is motions? When something moves, its position change. While an object is changing position, is it in motions? Motion is a change in positions. Object can move in different ways. What is speed? Speed is something moves faster than others. Speed can describe how quickly an object moves. An object's speed tells how far it moves in a certain amount of time.
Distance. Distance is another way to describe position. Distance is how much space is between 2 objects. What are forces? Objects do not move by themselves. You have to apply a force to make them start moving. A force is a push or pull used. Forces to move things and all the time. When you push a door or a door handle or push a wagon, you apply a force to make something move. What are types of forces? There are many types of forces. The forces you're probably most familiar with are contact forces.
Thanks for listening to our presentations.
I hope you enjoy our presentation.
Bye.